A really quick way of starting a Microsoft project would be to use one of the built-in project templates. Now, if you go to File and New, you can see that past all the importing options, we have a number of templates available straight away. A software development plan, a new product launch, commercial construction, SOX compliance and technology, new business plan, market research, etc., etc. Now, these are available simply by clicking and a new project will be created. So if I were to go with a new product launch, it says this is the new product launch. This helps define and manage the key components of a strong product launch plan. Download size. You can set your start date straight away here. So let's set that for the 1st of February. And then create. Template is downloaded. A new project is created using that template. And you can see that they are creating tasks in auto-scheduled mode. Here's the project overview. And I simply go back to the task and Gantt chart to see the actual Gantt chart. Now you can see a lot of work has been done here. Projects have been created, all got task notes in, they've all been joined up. I can see the Gantt chart is built. They've even got resource assignments. That's why it says marketing and product manager after some of the tasks there. And we can scroll through it and see that this works as we move. Final product, launch product. So it's quite a long project, and the timeline there shows you it in place. Phase 1 planning, phase 2 initiation, phase 3 execution, phase 4 release to manufacture. Now all I would need to do is actually just visit each of the tasks, rename anything that doesn't make any sense, and change the actual durations for my project. Now, most of these durations, looking at them, it looks like all, are estimated durations. That's what the little question mark means. And we'll see how we can add in our own estimated tasks. So the tasks are itemize the day, define the press release, define product-specific literature. Now, although they're defined as a day apiece, they are happening concurrently. You can see there in the Gantt chart that they all start at the same time. So it's not do one, then do the next, and do the next. It's all done in the same day. That's fairly easy, pretty quick. All the tasks have been done for you. So that's File, New, choose one from the list. Now, if the list that you see in front of you doesn't contain perhaps the kind of template you're after, you can do a search of the online available Microsoft project templates. And I might do a search for house templates. And it brings up 2, residential construction and a home move plan. If I'm planning a home move, that sounds like a good one, so I choose that. It gives me a bit of information, the size. It's even got a rating, so people have already downloaded and graded this. And I could have a start date. So if I'm planning to move in August, let's say from August the 1st, and then create. Just like the new product launch one, you can see we get a built project. Let's just move the timeline up slightly. With each of the tasks built in, calculating expenses even, doing the best method. So you might even find in here jobs involved with the house that you hadn't even thought of. We can see it's all broken down into headings: planning the move, household administration, finance, new residents, so sorting out your change of address types of things, the moving itself, getting the estimates from different moving services, packing, preparing for moving day, and before moving, sorting out the banks, change your address, different agencies, children's going to school, new residents getting all the utilities turned on, movers, packing, moving day itself, notifications, new residents, movers. There's a lot of detail in here for moving home. And you haven't had to do the planning yourself. You simply pick up this project as a template, make the necessary changes you need to the various tasks and times, because it might take longer for some things than others in your own plan, and then you're ready to roll as a Microsoft project. So I would then need to save this into my documents, possibly my SkyDrive if I'm sharing the project with other project planners involved, like the movers. And I would save that into my documents. It's not necessarily a home move plan, but certainly my home move 2013. And save. So that's using the built-in projects that are available to you from Microsoft. either file a new and select one from the available list here, or do a search online for a variety of projects that are available for different needs.